So you want to create a website that looks like this, or even probably better than this. The first thing that comes to your mind is I have to learn how to write some codes. I have to probably hire a website developer or just someone who is good at this stuff. And if that's what you think, well, think again, because this can be made completely for free. Well, with some caveats, obviously, and I'm going to show you how. So keep watching. So the first thing you're going to do is go to mobirise.com. Mobirise AI is a website that helps you to create websites within seconds, and you don't even need to type any code. Now, once you go to mobirise.com, you just click on the try AI button here, and this is going to pop up a window where you type in the prompt about what you want. So I already have ChatGPT opened up here, and I'm going to prompt it to just create something for us. So now I just told it, describe a company that offers web development services and is located in Georgia. Give the company a name and use we to show it's a description coming from someone who works in the company. Describe in detail what the site will be about, what will you offer. So now in this last part, I simply just got it from this section, and I noticed that they haven't included any word count limit here, which means if you tell it to do this description in like 200 words or less, as long as it's not around 100 words, it's gonna consider it as something that is big. I mean, the word count would be more. So let's just try copying this, and let's see. This is 172 words. Now, if I paste it here, it won't complain initially, but once I click on generate website, it's gonna tell me that the prompt is too long. So we have to just tell ChatGPT to shorten the prompt. Yeah. Or we can just tell it to shorten it to like 100 words, but we should have just given it the word count. All right, so I'm just going to try this one more time. All right, so this worked, and this is 110 words. So let's see what it comes up with. Quite sure it gave us a company name, and it's Peachtree Web Solutions, and it's in Georgia, just like we told it. The founder is John Smith, and this is information about the founder. So it's going to create a web page, like different samples, and it's going to come up with 4 different samples in which we would have access to just one. And now it's done. So we have access to one as a free account, and it's going to show you the others as you can get access to them when you are a premium member. So since we have no option for now as free members, we can just go ahead and leave this checked and click on continue. So it's going to generate those pages that it just showed us, and we would be able to access it in a few seconds. So this is it. We have it here, and creating the website, as you can see, is very easy. But let me tell you something. Modifying the website is even way easier than creating it. Let me show you something. Let's say I don't like this logo, or this obviously can't be my logo, and I want to change it. All I need to do is click on the image, and it brings up a window, like a pop-up, where I would be able to browse my logo from the computer and select it, and boom, it will be there. If I want to link it, to add it to a link, I'm still going to just type the link here, and it's gonna be there. If I don't like this, I just click on it, and it's going to just give me options to edit it. I can even change the color, I can change the font, and do customizations the way I want. Now, if I don't like the background color used for this, for instance, the get started section, or I can just click on it and click on the color section, and I'm going to just have access to just change it to whatsoever it is that I want. And so applies to like every other part of the website. Like anything you want to change, you can just change it. If I have just 3 team members, I can just remove one and leave the rest. And if I just don't like what I see here, or I want to modify it, it's as easy as just clicking and putting whatsoever it is that I want. So it's way easier, I mean, to create websites right now, because these tools are already at our disposal. And one other thing I also like with this tool is the image selection. It knows that we're talking about web solutions, we're talking about web development, so it found images that relate to website development or closely like relates to development. Like this is a page showing lines of codes, these are people using laptops, this is a lady probably in a server room with some server racks around her, I guess. And I don't think these images are AI generated. They are not. They are images that were probably sourced from like other free image sources, but most of the things here, or all or everything here, can be considered as placeholders because you could modify them the way you want to. And let's say you're satisfied with the result. You just like everything that you've done. You want to have the website active, you want to publish it, you click on the publish section. Now, as a free user, you would be assigned a compulsory subdomain that has the mobirisesite.com main domain. So let's say this is the website, so it's Peachtree, so peachtree.mobirisesites.com, and we publish. But then if we want to use a custom domain, we need to be premium members, because what you do here is to click on download it as a zip and use any of the FTP tools like FileZilla to upload them to like your custom domain. But then you can't do that with a free account. With a free account, you have access to generate 3 websites, which is similar to the starter plan here. But the only difference, or one of the differences, is that with a starter plan, you would be able to have custom domains and export your code and do some, like even remove the Mobirise banner that comes up whenever you load. Let's say, for instance, this is one of the websites I exported. So if you load the page initially, it's going to show you this banner indicating that this website was made using Mobirise. So to get rid of this, you just need to be a premium member, and $19 per month billed yearly. I don't know, is it cheaper, or like can you afford it? Like, is it something that you feel is way easier to do or to have than hiring a web developer? It's up to you. But then I feel I should let you know about this tool, and just let me know in the comment section if you see yourself using this tool. If you're not a website developer but you are someone who needs a website, do you see yourself using this tool to create website for your business? Let me know in the comment section. And that's just been it, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.